Your camera gear is expensive, and you know one drop can be an absolute disaster. A single accident or a sudden downpour can totally wreck your entire shoot. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to match you with the perfect case for how you shoot. Just answer these 3 critical questions, and we'll find your ideal match. This simple formula is the key: where you shoot, how big your kit is, and how fast you need access. Hard cases. These offer the absolute ultimate defense for your valuable gear. Backpacks give you that great all-around mix of storage, protection, and comfort. And slings? They're designed for pure speed, perfect for city and street photographers. And listen, this one's a non-negotiable. If you're shooting near water, it's a must. Okay, let's dive into the pics. So if you're flying often, pick this one. The Think Tank is built to get you through airport security checkpoints with zero hassle. Need one reliable bag that can pretty much handle any situation? Here you go. The Lowepro Pro Tactic. It's modular, super protective, and built for quick access. Now, when your #1 priority is making sure nothing breaks, this is it. The Pelican 1510 is basically crush-proof, watertight, and has that awesome customizable foam. All right, for all you city shooters out there who value speed above all else. The Peak Design Sling gives you incredibly fast, quick-draw access without any of the bulb. And now for the single most important rule that you absolutely cannot ignore. Seriously, don't gamble with water. A weather-resistant bag just isn't enough. You need a truly dedicated waterproof solution like the Die-Cap pack. It's a total non-negotiable. Okay, it's time. Let's lock in the perfect choice for you right now. Comment below with your camera model, how many lenses you carry, and where you shoot most. And I will personally reply with the best type of case for your exact setup.